Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use eye tracking on iOS 18. So simply open iPhone settings, click onto accessibility and then scroll down, then showing you to eye tracking, just click on to enable this and just set up. Follow the don't waste your eyes down. Okay, so just focus your eyes in display and waiting fill up, and move your face some angle and eye close on. Okay, now turn on this to when your eye focus this text, then go to this. Okay, move your face to eye tracking. So that's it, that's how you can do it.